Hey guys, welcome back to another video. With Bitcoin exploding at this point and doing what it's doing, I figured now would be a good time to make a little tutorial showing you guys how to withdraw money from Coinbase. Also, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin. So let's start with that. So let's say that I'm trying to buy or sell Bitcoin. As you can see, I have Bitcoin on my watch list. So we're going to click on Bitcoin. And now you see the option to buy at the very bottom, but let's say I want to buy or sell. So at this point, I'm going to click on BTC wallet. And at the very top, you see trade. So we're going to click on trade. Now here is where you're going to have the option to either buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. So click on either of those options depending on whatever you're trying to do on Coinbase. So that's how you do that. At the very top, you'll see my portfolio balance. This is the balance I have in cash at the moment on Coinbase. So how do you withdraw that money from Coinbase? So now I'm going to click on the portfolio section at the very bottom. It's next to home. So we're going to click on portfolio. And as you can see at the very top, I have $78.96 in cash on my Coinbase portfolio. So we're going to click on US dollars. And at this point, you'll have the option to either deposit or withdraw. So if you wanted to, you could deposit more money and buy more Bitcoin, or you could just withdraw the amount of cash that you have on Coinbase. At this point, I'm going to be withdrawing my money from Coinbase. So I'm going to click on withdraw and just type in the amount of money you want to withdraw from Coinbase. So I'm going to type in 78.96 cents. So I'm going to withdraw my full amount from Coinbase at this point, and I'm going to click on continue. And then you select the destination where you would like your cash to go. You could either add a debit card or you could add your bank account. So I already have my bank account linked to my Coinbase account, so I'm going to select on my bank account. And then it just gives you a brief summary of your withdrawal transaction. And at the very bottom, you're just going to click on withdraw now. And my withdrawal request was sent. So that in a nutshell is how you withdraw money from Coinbase. If you guys are going to be purchasing any type of cryptocurrency, feel free to use my Coinbase referral link in the description below. If you purchase $100 or more worth of cryptocurrency, you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin, and so will I. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. If you guys want to see some gaming live streams, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.